Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about schedule paths using a real life scenario. So let me just tell you what are schedule paths. If you want a part of your flow to run at a dynamically scheduled time after the triggering event occurs, then you can add a schedule path to your record triggered flow. You can base the schedule time on either when the record is created or updated or on a field value in the record. If you're familiar with schedule actions in Process Builder or time-dependent actions in workflow rules, then you know that schedule paths on record-triggered flow can accomplish the same goals and even more. We will talk about it, creating our flow and creating our real-life scenario. Now, without any further ado, let's dive straight into our org. Okay, so this is our Salesforce org. Let's go to Setup and Flows. Let's start creating our flow. Let's go here. So we are going to create a flow on opportunity. I'm just checking if we already have a flow on opportunity. Not active. That's fine. Let's create a new flow. So what is today's example all about? What we are going to do is we are going to create a flow on when opportunity will be created or updated, and on this flow there will be two actions. So basically there will be two paths. One will run immediately when a record is created or updated, and the second one will run 1 week prior to the close date of opportunity, and then we will add our steps, what we want to do on that step. Okay, so here for object we are choosing opportunity, record is created or updated. For entry conditions, let's add opportunity stage is not equals to closed won, or opportunity state does not equals to closed loss. So because if the opportunity is closed, then we don't really need the schedule path for it. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are just eliminating the opportunity which are closed won or closed lost. Okay, so let it be every time a record is updated and meets the conditional requirement. Okay, and we will add it for action and related records. Let's close this. Okay, now how to add a schedule path. So basically what we usually do is we add our elements here, but to add a schedule path and add elements in the path itself, we will click here, add schedule path. You see this is an optional element that you have if you want to add a schedule path. If you want to run an element on a specific time, you will use it. Otherwise we just add run immediately. Okay, now in run immediately, we don't have to add anything here. We will add the elements directly here. But for schedule path, we have to do something, some configurations here as well. Let's just name it reminder to ops owner. Okay, API name will be this. Now this option says time source. So basically, when do you want to schedule this action to occur? We have few options here: when the opportunity is created or updated. So basically this is same as running immediately after the opportunity is created or updated, this will occur. So we don't need this here. Now second is opportunity close date, then created date, then last modified, and then owner assignment date. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to choose the close date. Now we want to send the chatter reminder 7 days before. Okay, so the offset number is basically the days. Okay, so 7 days prior, and offset option we will choose is days before. So we want to send a reminder 7 days prior to the opportunity close date. Okay, so this is how it is done. If you want to send it months after or months before, then you have options here about months as well. If you want an action to occur hours before and hours after, you can choose it from here as well. We are going to choose days before because we want to send the reminder 7 days before. Okay, now let's just close this. Here if you will see, now we have two paths. One is run immediately, which we usually add elements here, and then we have a reminder to ops owner here. Okay, Now for run immediately, let's add a chatter post. Chatter for opportunity creation or update. Okay. Here we are just writing a test message because we don't want to spend too much time here. Let's just add new opportunity created. Okay. Target name or ID. For here, the user, the chatter group or record whose feed you want to post to. Okay, so we want to post it to opportunity record. So we will just add record here. This one. After that, we have experience cloud site ID. We don't need to add this here. Target type, we don't need to add. Visibility. Visibility is about valid only if digital experience is enabled. So we don't need this anymore. Let's go to advanced and see what options are there. No, we don't need this as well. Okay. Let's click here. So this is the chatter post on opportunity which will be done when opportunity will be created or updated. Let's do one thing. Let's just change the message to opportunity updated. Okay, because the creation message will confuse the owner if the opportunity is created or updated. Updated is anyways will work, and this is just a text. And this is just a test message. We don't want to test chatter post. Instead, we want to check the schedule path. Now here comes our main part, the schedule path, which will run 7 days prior to the closing date. What we will do here is we will take a decision element and we will check the opportunity stage. Opportunity stage. We will check if the stage is still prospecting. Okay. Let's check record dot stage name equals to prospecting. So if the stage is still prospecting and the opportunity is just about to close, we will add a reminder to the opportunity owner that do something about the opportunity stage or move it forward at least. Okay, just a reminder to them. Reminder to owner, and the reminder will be opportunity stage is still prospecting and it is about to close in 7 days. Okay, so this will be the message to the owner. The target will be opportunity ID again because we want to chatter post to opportunity, and that is it. Click on done. So this is our flow. Let me give you a recap of what happened here. We have created a flow for opportunity when a record will be created or updated. The conditions are that the stage name should not be closed won or closed lost, because if the opportunity is closed, we don't need to send a reminder to anyone. Okay. Now we have added a schedule path here. Run immediately is the default path that we use. We have added a reminder to ops owner path. We are checking if today is 7 days before the opportunity close date, then we are checking opportunity stage. If the stage is still prospecting, then we are sending a chatter post as a friendly reminder to the owner that the opportunity stage is still prospecting and it is about to close in 7 days. Okay, so the owner will be reminded if he has forgot to change the stage or move it forward. Okay, so this is all this flow about. Let's save it and check if it is working fine. Opportunity after save flow. Let's save it and activate it. Okay, now how we can check it is we will create a new opportunity first to check if the run immediately chatter post is working, and then we will check the close date as well. Okay. Test opportunity, let's name it this. Opportunity type existing customer. Let's give it amount of 1 lakh. Close date, because we want to check the close date, we will update it later. Let's make it to 31 for now. Stage will be prospecting. Discount is 1%. Okay. Anything else? No. Okay, we will save it and we will see if a chatter post is created. Let's save this one. So here's the opportunity we have created. Here are the details. Now let's check the chatter post. So we have a chatter post here which says new opportunity create. Didn't we change the message? Oops, the message is changed for now. I thought we have saved the message, but maybe we clicked on cancel or something. So this is the chatter message for now. Okay, let's be it that way. We don't need to change the message and check. We know the chatter is coming as expected. So here's the chatter message. As the opportunity was created, this was the run immediately action to post a chatter message. Now this is supposed to happen if the opportunity stage is prospecting still, and if the close date is if today's date is prior to 7 days of the closing date. Okay, so for now this is not happening because the close date is 31 and today is 20th. So this is 11 days prior. What we will do is we will change the close date to 27th. Okay, so in that case it will be 7 days prior to close date. Let's save it and see if we have a chatter post again. Let's refresh it. Yes, so we have a chatter post here which says opportunity stage is still prospecting and it is about to close in 7 days. So this is how the schedule path will work. Now you will say I have updated a value, that's why this flow reoccurred, but no, I have updated the close date to 27th to just show you how the schedule path will work, but you don't have to do that really. If this was 31, then on 25th the chatter post will automatically come here with the same message that is here. So when we add a schedule path, we don't need to run the flow again. That is the whole point. If we need to run the flow again, then what is the point of schedule path, right? When you run a schedule path, you have scheduled this job to be done on a specific time. Now let's create another opportunity because I wanted to tell you how you can check if your schedule path is added to a queue. Okay, let's add another opportunity very quickly. Test op 2 will be the name. Close date should be 31 again. Stage will be prospecting. Discount percentage, and that is it. Let's save it. So when you have saved it, you have a chatter message here which was run immediately action. Now what you will do is you can go to setup and go to time-based workflow. This option here, you will go to here. So when a schedule path is added in a flow, it will be added as a queue until it is run. Okay. Let's choose automation type equals to flow schedule path and search. Okay, once I added the filter here, you see we have this scheduled path here. This is for opportunity. The record is here, the test opportunity 2 that we have just created. Object name is here. You can check the flow from here as well. Scheduled date is this, created date is this, and automation type is this. So as I was saying, if it was 31, you will, okay, I was wrong. You will not get the message on 25th, you will get a message on 24th. So the scheduled date is also here, and the created date and everything is here. So on 24th of January 2024 at 12 a.m. this will be scheduled automatically. It will check the stage and it will send a reminder by a charter post to the owner. So from here you can even check if your scheduled path is queued or not. Once it is executed successfully, like after 24th January, this will not be here anymore. Okay, so this is how you can keep a track of your scheduled paths and your scheduled actions as well. That is it. That was today's example. I hope you found this useful, and I hope you have learned something new from this example and you will use it in your real life scenarios. I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and keep learning.